As a developer, you are always busy. You don't chat with people. But if you are lonely, you want to chat with people, you can do that with Python with only 4 lines of codes. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is to open up PyCharm. If you don't know, if you don't have PyCharm, you can come to your browser and search for PyCharm. PyCharm download. So here you can continue here. Now when it loads, you can download PyCharm. From here you have the professional version and the community version. You should download the community version. So here the first thing you need to do is to open a new file, a new project, and let's name it as my friend, my underscore friend. You can give it any name. Create new window. So now our PyCharm has opened. What we need to do is very simple. Just come here to this terminal, click on it, and the terminal will open. You need to write only a small code to download big files, to download the text to speech module. So what you need to do is just type pip install pyttx3. Py means Python, T means text, the second T means to, and S means speech. The X3 means version 3. So just press enter. So now it is downloading the package, as simple as that. So now we are calling our friend to come. Now our package or our friend has finished downloading. So what we need to do, let's clear off these other texts here. So the first thing we need to do is to import our module. So just type import pyttsx3. So we imported pyttsx3. So let's go on to initialize it. Let's see friend is equals to pyttx dot init. Init means initialize. So now let's see friend dot c friend dot c thank I am your friend. I am your friend. I am your friend. Friend friend dot run and wait. Friend dot run and wait. So let's click this green button here to run our code.
I am your friend.
You see, it says I am your friend. Let's repeat it again.
I am your friend.
I am your friend. So nice. So here we can see I am your friend. My name is eliminate loneliness. Loneliness. Let's chat. So let's click this.
I am your friend. My name is Eliminate Loneliness. Let's chart.
Good. So here we are writing what we want to chat in the text in the program. But now we can write it in the input here. So to do that, we will just say chat is equals to input. Chat is equals to input. What do you wanna say? So now let's come here. Instead of putting this, we will write this chat. Here, this means that the input, what you will write here is the input will be saved as will be assigned to this chart. So that chart is what you should say here. So here, let's remove this and write chart. Now let's run it. Let's see. I'm tired of sitting and I want to lie down.
I am
Enter.
tired of sitting and I want to lie down.
Good. So that's it for